Good morning.
Good morning.
We are wrapping our week up here at 2704 East Fairway, our newest listing here in Country Club East.
It is absolutely lovely.
It really is. This home has so much to offer, so many upgrades.
And an incredible backyard,
It
which
really
we will
does.
get to.
We will. Country Club East has been really interesting over the last year, and so has Morehead City, in particular in this price range.
I think so, and I think with the new country club, the clubhouse being built, there's been a renewed interest in this entire area.
Absolutely.
And so, you know, as they will see, this is quite a house for the money.
100%. I mean, everything that's happening up and down Country Club Road, the clubhouse is projected to be finished by next year for Memorial Day. There's tons of families moving into this neighborhood specifically,
Yes.
redoing these properties and just you have very large lots, very large homes.
Exactly. And this one doesn't need to be. This is a new home.
Yeah,
So
this is, I think, 3 or 4 years old. So, I mean, it is move-in ready.
it really
What
is.
can you tell us about that $600,000 to $700,000 price range, Sherry, in Morehead City?
You know, it's really been tight, Kenny. There are 2 homes that are active right now. This is one of them, and there's one more in downtown Morehead on Evans Street. You cannot even compare the 2. They are totally different. One is an older home, still needs some work. This is move-in ready and new. You're getting a lot for your money. Over the past month or so, we've had 1 go pending in this area, and in the last year, there have only been 8 to come up, and 8 were sold. So it's really a tight market. We don't see a lot coming on, and when they come, they go.
They go, and this price range is very difficult to get into. So today we start showings. Today's a packed day, full of showings already, so
Yes.
we're very excited.
Yes.
This house has 3 bedrooms plus an office.
It's such an open space, so you know, you feel like you could use these, especially the office, you could use that in several different ways if you needed to.
Absolutely, multifunctional, I'd call it.
But I do think this house lives very large.
It does, and the outside area is where I'd be the entire time. Outdoor
Me too.
kitchen, fire bed, you name
Hot
it.
tub
It has
if you want
everything. So definitely give us a call today and schedule a showing. One thing that I think we need to talk about is the cost of waiting for a buyer. A lot of buyers are, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till these prices come down. And we have done some research, and on a 30-year fixed mortgage with 10% down, the cost of waiting in your monthly payment by 6 months with the rise in interest rates
What is
is $74. The cost of waiting for 1 year is $233 per month.
It's significant, and then you couple that with the rising prices. Each and every week that something comes on the market, the prices are getting higher. There are so few homes and so many people that the sellers know that, you know, these prices are going to keep rising because the people are out there looking. So not only are you talking about that cost of waiting, but the cost of waiting and not buying something today might cost you $25,000 to $50,000 more by this summer.
Absolutely. And then with the interest rates, I mean, it's even more per month.
It really is.
So you definitely, if you think waiting is the way to go, I mean, I'm here to tell you these prices are here to stay for some time, and interest rates are on the rise. So give us a call today. We hope you all have a wonderful weekend. Check us out here this Saturday from 10 to 12 tomorrow.
This is going to be a wonderful open house.
It'll be a great one. We'll see you guys next week.
Thank you. Bye.